why is it that good people seem to suffer and bad people get away with their crimes? I ask because when I watch the news, there are always horrible images of women and children suffering.
It's again another theological question, maybe in very two words maybe. Once grandfather of the Prophet ﷺ was asked, Abdul Muttalib, because Abdul Muttalib was Ibrahimi, if you know. Ibrahimi means he used to follow the Ibrahimic religion. Okay, so someone asked him, most likely it is some Christian or Jewish scholar, because obviously the Qurayshi mushriks, they wouldn't be bothered about these questions. So this person asked him saying, how did you come to conclusion that there is day of judgment? Okay, so then he said, yes, because I saw the oppressors enjoying whole of their life, as well as I saw the weak people, ill people, they're suffering whole of their life. And then I have compared that to the seasons of a year. We see cold season, winter, as well as then it will be hot summer. We have dry and we have wet. Okay, so we have raining and we have sunshine also. So then I saw that it is justice. Everything is just equal. So one never takes over of the other. Each of them will have its own share. So then he says, but when I saw these oppressive people enjoying whole of their life, I said the one who created hot weather and cold weather is not possible that he will leave this alone without giving him what he deserves. So then I said, in this world no one yet came back. All of them oppressors, as well as all of them people who suffered, they died and not yet anyone came back to live opposite, you can say, style of a life. Means there have to be second world, second life, in which things will get justice. So he says, that's how I came to conclusion that there is day of judgment. So answer is very obvious. So when you see, for example, day, definitely there will be night. Okay, and 15 nights is all the time dark, because after that there will be 15 nights will be bright also. So they are suffering, oppressed people, and oppressive people are enjoying, but it's not all yet to go.